Even if you work out 7 days a week and eat 100 grams of protein every single day, your muscles still won't grow stronger if you're not eating foods rich in collagen. That's the missing piece most people, especially seniors, never hear about. We've all been told the same thing: build muscle by lifting weights and eating more protein. But here's the truth. Protein alone isn't enough. The number one nutrient your muscles need to stay strong isn't just protein, it's collagen. Now here's the part most seniors don't realize: even if you're taking collagen supplements, you might not see results. Why? Because most supplements don't contain gelatin, which is found naturally in real collagen foods. And without gelatin, the benefits for your muscles are incomplete. Many seniors also make another mistake. They drink beef bone broth, thinking it will cover their collagen needs. The reality is bone broth doesn't contain nearly enough collagen to make a real difference. Seniors need about 15 grams of collagen per day to support muscle growth and maintenance. A single bowl of beef bone broth falls far short of that. That's why in this video, I'll reveal 2 liquid collagen sources that deliver up to 8 times more collagen than traditional bone broth. I'll start with the easier one to find, then move on to the absolute best source, one that most people completely overlook. And stick around, because later I'll also share 3 foods you should never eat with collagen if you want to fight sarcopenia and actually build muscle after 60. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on practical, science-backed tips for healthy aging. Let's get started. Collagen source number 1: fish skin broth. Fish skin broth is a hidden powerhouse. Each cup contains between 12 and 15 grams of collagen, almost double what you'll find in most bone broths. And because it's marine collagen, your body absorbs it about 1.5 times more efficiently than other types. That makes it especially effective for seniors who are fighting muscle loss. This collagen directly strengthens muscle fibers and supports the connective tissues that hold muscles together. But fish skin broth does even more. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium. Omega-3s reduce muscle inflammation, speed up recovery, and improve how efficiently your body uses protein for muscle growth. Selenium adds another layer of protection by defending your muscle cells from damage. In fact, a Japanese study followed 120 older adults with sarcopenia for 6 months. Those who drank fish skin broth daily gained an average of 3.2 pounds of muscle mass, compared to just 0.8 pounds in the group that didn't. The results were so strong that researchers described it as a natural therapy for muscle preservation. Traditional Chinese medicine has actually used fish skin broth for more than 2,000 years to fight what they called muscle wasting disease. Healers back then already knew the ocean's collagen could restore strength long before modern research confirmed it. Making fish skin broth is simple. Simmer salmon or cod skins in water for 2 to 3 hours with a little ginger and sea salt. Once it cools, it should form a gel. That's how you know it's collagen rich. You can pair it with almost any meal. Stir some into scrambled eggs at breakfast. Use it as a base for vegetable soup with lean chicken at lunch. Or sip a cup alongside grilled salmon and sweet potatoes at dinner. Each of these pairings not only tastes great but also maximizes your muscle building results. But as effective as fish skin broth is, it works even better when combined with this next collagen source. Collagen source number 2: chicken feet broth. Chicken feet broth is the gold standard. 1 cup contains 15 to 18 grams of collagen, and about 70% of its protein is pure collagen. It's especially rich in type I and type 2 collagen, which rebuild muscle fibers and strengthen the cartilage around joints. That means stronger muscles and less joint pain when you're active. What makes chicken feet broth even more impressive is its natural content of glucosamine and chondroitin. These are the exact compounds found in expensive joint supplements, yet here they come in a whole food form. They reduce inflammation, shorten recovery time, and help you build strength faster than you ever thought possible at your age. A study in South Korea tracked 85 seniors for 4 months. Those who drank chicken feet broth 3 times a week increased their leg strength by 28% and reduced muscle soreness by 45%. Researchers concluded it outperformed standard protein supplements. For centuries, Chinese medicine has recommended chicken feet soup for bone and muscle strength. Modern science is simply catching up. To prepare it, simmer clean chicken feet with onions and herbs for 4 to 6 hours. Like fish skin broth, it should turn thick and gelatinous once cooled. That's your proof it's loaded with collagen. Here's the real secret. When you drink both fish skin broth and chicken feet broth, you cover all bases. Fish collagen absorbs quickly, helping with immediate repair. Chicken collagen provides long-lasting structural support. Together, they create a complete amino acid profile that no supplement or single food can match. Practical ideas? For breakfast, whisk 2 beaten eggs into hot chicken feet broth to make a smooth, protein-rich custard. For lunch, use it as the base of a vegetable soup with spinach, carrots, and celery. For dinner, sip a warm cup about 30 minutes before your meal to prime your digestion and feed your muscles during overnight repair. But here's the catch. Even if you drink these collagen-rich broths regularly, you could still sabotage your progress if you combine them with the wrong foods. And unfortunately, most seniors unknowingly make this mistake. 3 foods you should never combine with collagen. After reviewing dozens of studies and working with thousands of seniors struggling with muscle loss, I've identified the 3 most dangerous food pairings to avoid if you want your collagen to actually work. The last one might shock you. Chances are you've eaten it this week. 1. White rice. White rice may look harmless, but it's a hidden muscle killer when paired with collagen. It has a glycemic index of 73, even higher than pure sugar. Eating it with collagen broths causes a huge blood sugar spike, which interferes with your body's ability to absorb amino acids from collagen. A 2019 study tracked 200 diabetic seniors for 8 weeks. Those who ate high glycemic foods like white rice with collagen had 40% less muscle protein synthesis compared to those who avoided it. Elevated blood sugar literally blocks collagen from doing its job. And it gets worse. When white rice combines with the minerals in collagen broths, it creates toxic compounds called advanced glycation end products. These inflame muscles and accelerate breakdown. I remember Margaret, 87, who had been drinking bone broth daily for 6 months with no results. Turned out she was eating white rice with every serving. Once she switched to quinoa, she gained 2.1 pounds of muscle in just 3 weeks and felt stronger than she had in years. If you want results, don't eat white rice within 2 hours of any collagen-rich food. 2. Alcohol. Many seniors enjoy a glass of wine with dinner or a nightcap before bed, but alcohol combined with collagen is a recipe for failure. Even 1 glass can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%. It blocks your body's ability to process amino acids from collagen, turning your broth into wasted calories. Timing makes it worse. Drinking at night disrupts the deep sleep cycle when muscle repair normally takes place. A study of 150 seniors found that those who drank alcohol within 4 hours of collagen intake had significantly less muscle growth. Alcohol also reacts with collagen's amino acids to form aldehydes, toxic compounds that damage muscle cells. Take Robert, 82, who drank chicken feet broth faithfully every evening, followed by whiskey. Despite months of effort, his muscles kept shrinking. Once he cut alcohol from his routine, he gained 1.8 pounds of muscle and improved his grip strength by 23% in just 6 weeks. If you're serious about results, stay alcohol-free at least 24 hours on recovery days. 3. Bacon. Bacon may seem like the perfect side for a savory broth, but it's one of the worst offenders. Just 1 strip carries over 400 milligrams of sodium plus nitrates and preservatives. When combined with collagen broths, sodium levels spike, causing inflammation and blocking muscle growth. A Harvard study of 180 seniors with sarcopenia found that those who ate processed meats like bacon with their protein meals had 45% higher inflammatory markers and 30% less muscle growth than those who didn't. The danger comes from nitrates in bacon, which react with collagen amino acids to form nitrosamines, toxic compounds linked to muscle breakdown and even cancer. Dorothy, 85, loved sprinkling bacon bits on her fish broth every morning. After months, her joint pain worsened and her blood pressure spiked. Once she replaced bacon with plain grilled chicken, her inflammation dropped by 40% and she finally began gaining strength. Choose clean proteins like chicken, turkey, or fish instead. Now you know. Fish skin broth and chicken feet broth are two of the most powerful collagen sources for rebuilding muscle after 60. Together, they provide the complete amino acids your muscles need to stay strong, recover faster, and fight sarcopenia. But their power only works if you avoid the toxic food combinations of white rice, alcohol, and bacon. So I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and love hearing your stories. And if you're ready to take this further, I've created a 30-day muscle recovery meal plan with over 50 collagen-rich recipes designed to maximize muscle growth while avoiding those harmful food pairings. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. But don't go just yet. Tomorrow, I'm sharing something that will completely change how you think about leg strength. Forget exercise routines. I'll reveal 3 specific spots on your legs that you can massage for just 30 seconds before bed to boost muscle activation by 34%, even while you sleep. I can only share this with subscribers first, so hit that subscribe button right now. You don't want to miss it. Trust me, this leg strength method will surprise you, and you've likely never heard of it anywhere else. See you tomorrow.